Here's 7 quick tips for editing your own DIY business videos. Number 1, keep it branded. It's really tempting to want to try and jazz your videos up with all of the templates and the funky text designs that are out there. We advise that you keep it branded. Your business has probably spent a lot of money on creating a look and style, so use the fonts and the colours that are provided for you already, and your video's quality will already shoot up.
Get brutal. You really need to ask yourself with every piece of new information, does this need to be in here? So make sure you cut out all waffle and any points in the video where the same information is being repeated. The last thing you want is to repeat the same information over and over again, where you simply repeat the same point, covering it as if you haven't covered it before. That sort of information needs to... What?
You're telling people not to do.
Oh, this won't make the edit.
When in doubt, cover it up. If your eyeline slips, like that, or you or are, or for some reason something happens and you don't want it on screen, then all you have to do is cover it up like this. And then you can put some text on it to make the point you're saying more clear. And people will have no idea what you're doing behind the screen.
Think mobile, especially if you're using Jeff to do your filming for videos, then the text needs to be readable on a mobile phone. Make sure it's big enough.
Effects. It's really tempting to want to turn yourself into a kaleidoscope, or make yourself look more like a cartoon, or maybe even go back in time to the 1920s. Forget all of these when you're editing your own DIY video. You just want to keep it simple. Unless those reinforce a point, but they probably won't.
Chunking information in the edit. If you're going to cut things up and you know you're cutting between 2 similar edits, make sure you cut where there's new information. Right in the middle of a sentence is going to feel odd, really odd.
And our last little final word of wisdom is just to always keep in the back of your mind, can I make it better? Now, this doesn't mean going over the top and adding random explosions. And it also doesn't mean adding stuff for the sake of it. You'll know when it's working because everything just flows. The cuts are seamless, the whole viewing experience is fluid, and basically, it should look like you've not really edited it, but you have.